What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and we are starting today's vlog in Sam's Club, actually. So I think I'm going to take you guys along on this little shopping trip here. We don't need a ton of stuff and not much meat because I stockpile a ton of meat at the house when it's on sale. So I'll probably show you guys a clip of that later of just how much I have. But this is one of my big secrets to doing keto on a budget, is actually going to Sam's Club and buying what we can in bulk. Like, there are things that I won't buy in bulk, but like cheeses, eggs, things like that. I mean, it's really important to just get it in bulk and freeze what's going to go bad before you can use it, and then just kind of pull it out. Because you know what, buying those little 4-cup bags of cheese for $6, or I can buy 5 pounds for 10. What's going to be more cost effective in the long run? So those are things that you just really want to keep in mind. But anyway, let's go and get the shopping trip going. I'll show you guys what I get, and we'll check in with you guys again once we get all these groceries home. So that Sam's Club trip was a success. Got everything loaded in the car back here. A little surprised how busy it was in there. Today's Super Bowl Sunday, so I was hoping I would not have to deal with the chaos that is the grocery store, because the game starts in about an hour, maybe a little bit less. So I'm hoping that our next stop is not that busy, because we're heading to Walmart, which kind of sucks. I hate that place. The food is low quality. The people there are rude and kind of just. I don't like dealing with crowds and people who just are oblivious to the fact that they're in the way, kind of things like that. And that is all I have found at Walmart. But we're right next to it. I need a few things that I just could not buy in bulk because it's not cost effective and I would never use it all. So we're gonna head there. So let's go see what I can find. What's up, everybody? Just checking back in. We survived Walmart, and it was just as unsavory as I remember it being. And I don't know why people actually decide to go to Walmart. The quality of the produce there is garbage. I was looking at it. I mean, I refuse to buy produce there. Sometimes I will buy things that are name brand products, like Daisy sour cream or something like that, if I have absolutely no other choice. But it just feels so gross in there. Everything's kind of seems dirty and poorly maintained. The staff is no help. The people kind of just are rude. So I really hate that place, and I would spend more money to go somewhere else if we weren't sitting right next to it. But it is what it is. We got what we needed. We just needed some chopped nuts and stuff like that for this week's keto cooking video, and just a couple little things like that. So it's not the end of the world, but my opinions on Walmart, not a big fan. So we're gonna head on back to the house now and get things situated, and then since the Super Bowl is going, we're gonna go ahead and head to the gym because hopefully it won't be too busy there right now. Not a big fan of football, if you can't tell. It's if I'm there in person, it's cool, but watching it on TV just gets a little boring to me. So I'm hoping that when I'm at the gym, I can get a good workout in without having to deal with a bunch of people, because I know as soon as the game's over, the thing's gonna probably flood up. So let's get that done. So we have made it back to the house, and I'm actually sipping on one of these Bai teas. We actually grabbed quite a few of these at Sam's Club. Let me see if it'll focus in on the macros here. Hopefully that'll focus to where you can see it. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and read them out. Well, in terms of carbs on these things, there's 6 total carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 5 erythritol. So they're a pretty good option if you're looking for something other than water to drink that's not too high in carbs. But we're gonna chill for about 30 minutes or so and then head to the gym because the Super Bowl just started, and hoping it won't be busy. So I will check with you guys after the gym because, like I said, I usually don't film the gym, and today's really no exception. What's going on, everybody? So we are back from the gym, and I guess I kind of have a little confession to make here. So currently I am out of ketosis. Wasn't exactly planned. I was actually planning on having some carbs next weekend and things like that, being that it was close to Valentine's Day. But yesterday ended up eating a bunch of carbs, checked my blood ketones this morning, and I was at 0.1. So I did knock myself out of ketosis. So let me explain first of all why I chose to do that. It wasn't like I messed up and ate something that I didn't think had carbs in it. It was a deliberate decision to do it this week instead of next. So the deal was, I was on a motorcycle ride yesterday with my dad and a buddy of mine, and we stopped in a tiny little town called Chloride, Arizona for lunch, and there was one bar there that was open, and they just kind of had bar food that was all fried and breaded, and they had a salad, but I wasn't really sure about the dressing, and the chicken that was on it was fried and breaded. So I was like, the only way I'm gonna get any real substantial food is just to eat something that they had. So I went ahead and just grabbed like I think it was like a Philly cheesesteak or something like that, and you know, knocked myself out of keto. But it was one of those things where I was on the road, didn't really have many options, and I needed some energy because I didn't know how many hours we were going to be on those bikes before we found the next place to have food. And at the same time, you know what? I didn't really care. I've been strict on keto for a while. It didn't really hurt me to, you know, knock myself out. That being said, today, since I did that yesterday, I've, you know, tightened myself up on my calories, haven't really eaten much, fasted most of the day, hit a really hard gym session about, you know, 20 minutes ago. I just got back and did really good cardio. I actually was on the Jacob's ladder, and I don't know if you guys have ever seen a Jacob's ladder, but they are painful but awesome. So go ahead and Google Jacob's ladder. I'm just kidding, don't do that. If you're gonna Google it, type in like Jacob's ladder exercise equipment. My bad. Anyway, that thing is an insane amount of cardio. Like, it's really good for you. I did it Tabata style, which maybe I'll get into this in another video. I plan on doing a keto workout video eventually, but I ended up basically it's 20 seconds high intensity, 10 seconds off, and you do certain cycles. You can research more into that if you don't want to wait for my video. Anyway, got myself a nice sweat, cardio, the heart rate was up, had a really nice upper body day for lifting as well. So all in all, I can't really complain. It's been a good day. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and make a keto-friendly carrot cake because I love carrot cake, and I gotta make a cooking video for you guys this week. So I will actually go ahead and end this video here, but just to give you kind of a heads up of what's coming this week, I've got that keto carrot cake video that's gonna come out Wednesday, and then in spirit of the fact that I, you know, knocked myself out of keto and I've been trying to get back in, I'm gonna go ahead and do a full video come Friday about, you know, oh crap, I've knocked myself out of keto, what do I do now? Because I know I've explained a touch of it in this video, but there's a lot more things that I do when I knock myself out of keto, whether it be on purpose or not, to get myself back in as fast as possible and continue the weight loss journey that I've started. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and close with the video. If you have not subscribed yet, go and hit that subscribe button because it really does help me out a lot. If you like the video, leave it a like, and if you have any questions, comments, anything like that from me, just leave them in the comment section. I really do read all of them, guys. So with that, I'll see you in the next one.